Well, I'm back here with my good friend Rich Norton today. How you doing today, Rich?
I'm doing excellent. Great to talk with you always.
Absolutely. So, we've been talking, just kind of sharing a lot of practical tips for agents getting into the business. But one of the biggest decisions that I think agents have to make when they get into this business, Rich, is what type of company they want to work with. And of course, there are some that have extensive industry experience, or they're building out a big team and all that. And so they're going to look for a company that's kind of hands off and all of that, right? But then there's also the other alternative is a team like yours where there's a lot more kind of hands on, a lot more mentorship and training and things like that. Talk about, in your opinion, with a new agent, what should they be looking for as they come into the industry when they're choosing the processor to work with?
Definitely. As a new representative, now more than ever, you need to be with the right company, number one. And I get a lot of calls since we've done these interviews, over these videos over the last couple of months. Bunch of calls. The story that I hear over and over again is, hey, I'm working with this company and I don't have any training. I'm not getting much support. They tell me just go out and get a statement, and I have no idea what I'm doing, and I'm very, very frustrated, or I can't get a hold of anybody. No knock on other companies, but we're the opposite of that, and that's our commitment with our team. So I tell everybody coming into the industry, number one, get with a right company. And I'm talking about a company that the things that you don't think about, when your merchants are having questions or they're having issues or they need to be taken care of, you want to know that your company is going to give them the support that they need. And thankfully, we have that with our team. But also, as a representative, you want to make sure that you're taken care of, that your future is in good hands. Because out of all the people that I've interviewed over the last couple of years, many unfortunately have given me nightmare stories about how they lost their pay, how they lost their residual, and so forth. And you want to be with a company that you never have to worry about that either. But even beyond that, getting with a team that is going to teach you how to do the business from day one, because you don't want to be out there as a lone ranger trying to figure this out. And that's the calls that I get all the time. So with us, my passion is to teach people how to be incredibly successful in the industry. When we take someone on board with our team, I'm giving them everything we possibly can. I tell them, you're going to get 100% commitment from us with training, support. We have sales blitzes, we have videos, we have Monday Zoom calls, we have everything that you need in order to become successful. You have our 100% commitment. The only way that somebody would fail is they simply didn't apply themselves. And that's all you have to do. So if you're thinking that just do what I do, just do what I do, that's all you have to do. So being with the right company, being with the proper training, and being part of a team, because sales and this industry can be a very lonely business when you're out there. If you're a lone ranger, more power to you. I mean, you're showing that you've got discipline, you can overcome a lot, but it's difficult for a new representative that goes out there and gets their butt kicked for about a week and doesn't write anything, and they go back home, whether they're married or not. It's like, did you make any money today? Now the pressure is even more on. But
Right.
it's important to be part of a team. Like when we do these sales blitzes, for example, I tell everybody from day one when we do our first sales class, you are going to be brainwashed this week. Are we going to brainwash you? Yes, we are. We're going to brainwash you how to have the right mindset, how to go out and sell. You are going to learn by the end of this week what it truly means to be successful and what you need to do to become successful. And it's amazing when we do these sales blitzes, I tell them it's merchant services boot camp for a week. You're going to say, this guy's nuts, I'm out of here. Or you're going to say, this guy's nuts, I want to be like them. Right. And that's the difference right there. And they go back home. And I love to see where we've taken representatives that have gone out beforehand and writing a couple a month. Now they're writing 7, 8, 10, 12, 15 a month. It's like, I get it. I get what it takes. No secret formula. Leave the house in the morning, go out and make the calls, work Monday through Friday, take the weekend off and go do that. If you do that over a long period of time and you're with the right team, you're going to get rewarded for it. Not only monetarily, but I love the fact that we're in contests all the time. We're going to be doing a beautiful trip in Mexico. We're taking 19 representatives, best vacations ever because you're around like-minded people, and I love to watch everybody celebrate. So being part of a team, it's kind of corny, being part of a family, it's a big difference rather than being a lone ranger.
Yeah, good stuff. Well, Rich, for those who want to learn more about what it would look like to be on your team specifically, where would you send them to learn more?
Yes, absolutely. Reach out to me at 904-434-4635, or you can email me at payrock, Payroc, richnorton@gmail.com.
Awesome. Thanks so much, Rich. Always a pleasure recording these with you.
Thank you, James. I appreciate you very much.